Hello folks, this is Tom with Edwards Yacht Sales, and today we're looking at Avion. Avion is a 40-foot Hunter Legend. It's a 1989 model, and it's a very nice boat. Avion's 40 feet overall length, has a beam of 14 foot. The mast height, or bridge clearance if you will, is 60 feet. And she has a draft of 5 feet. And let's take a look on the outside here. She's presently equipped with 2 anchors, one Bruce and one 35-pound CQR. Has 120 feet of chain rode. This vessel has an amazing electrical system in it. The owner has installed a 3.5 kilowatt generator. It's a diesel generator on board the vessel. Has a 3,000 watt inverter, and it also has a solar panel, which I'll show you in a moment. Here's the anchor windlass. Our sail inventory is mainsail and Genoa. The Genoa is 150% mainsail. Both are in great condition. Now you might notice a break in the bimini here from the Dodger back. The owner was cleaning the boat. There is a piece that goes in there, it fills in the gap. You can see the solar panel on top of the after bimini. That's 180 watts, and it will run the refrigerator. If all you have running is a refrigerator, this solar panel will keep it running and charge the batteries. See autopilot right there. Step around back here, and here's your control console. Let's go down below. Beautiful warm interior on this vessel. Just gorgeous. The air conditioner is running right now. You may hear it in the background. It's very cold. With the electrical system on this vessel, no matter where you're at, hanging on the hook or elsewhere, it'll be just like power off the dock. You can run the air conditioner and everything through a 3,000 watt inverter. I'll look the other way, and then we'll go into the forward stateroom there. I like these nice bright overheads on these. All the windows are new. They have been replaced. So no crazing, cracks, nothing like that. And we'll go into the forward stateroom. You can see that this hatch is clear as a bell. And let's look into the forward head here. here we go. It might be a little dark in here, but I think you get the picture. This one is a manual pump head. This one does go to a holding tank. The after head is an electrical type sanitizing head. The vessel does have radar. Along with the navigational screen, VHF radio, and everything you need for safe navigation. Here's the galley. The refrigeration system is new. And it's cold. That's ice you're seeing right there. It is just ice cold. You can keep ice cream on this boat. Your stainless steel Hiller range stove right here and oven works off CNG. Now there are certain advantages to that. CNG is not heavier than air. Propane will go to the deck of the boat and fill up the low spots in the boat. If you have a spark or something, you could have an explosion. See, there's a lot of advantages to CNG, and these bottles, there are 2 of them, they last a lot longer. It's also very easy to find CNG gas now. Now we have a walk around queen here, and that's why these folks originally bought this boat, because they didn't want to be crawling all over each other to get out of bed in the middle of the night. It made sense to me. Anyway, here's your afterhead. As you can see, this just flips up here. And this afterhead is an electrosand system. Doesn't require a holding tank. Doesn't have to be pumped out. And you can walk right on through here back in. So if you're taking a shower, it'd be like a car wash. You just walk from the bedroom, have the shower running, just walk through it and right on out into the salon. Actually, I'm just kidding. My wife would have a fit. It's actually a very nice 40-foot boat. If you'd like to come out and take a look at her, just give me a call. We don't use any high pressure sales or anything like that. We're just people. And give me a call, talk about it, and you're welcome. We advertise on over 50 websites now, and we also have our advertisements in hard print. So this is Tom at Edwards Yacht Sales, saying good day to you. Bye bye now.